Hey everyone, Bill and Carrie with KB Treks.
Hello.
Where are we at, hon? What are we doing?
We are now on the island of Maui. We are staying at the Westin Resort, but we're about ready to get on a sunset catamaran trip.
We're still part of the Twin Cities Live Tropical Hawaiian Adventure with Carrousel Travel, and this is one of the excursions that we get to do. We get to go on the sunset catamaran, and it is. I'm just looking forward to it. I love these things. They're so much fun.
I do too. They're so much fun.
Our one guy just told us that we're going to be going. There's no dock, so we're going to be going into the sand. So I advise that we take our shoes off. So everyone took their shoes and their slippers off, unless they're really form-fitting. So they're going to tell us when to get on there because they got these waves coming in. So they're going to tell us when to go to board the catamaran. You can see from the trees and the flags over there, we are getting a little bit of wind going toward the ocean from where we're at. Wow. We're going to be kind of high up. Well, I mean, we are going to be in the ocean, so it's good to be high up. And then, oh, that was a big wave.
It's okay.
Here we go, we're on board.
Shell better be taping, they say.
He got you working.
Why aren't you taping?
That was quite the experience to try to get on.
That was quite the experience, yes.
It's kind of fun.
Reminded me of Antigua.
We were the last ones to get on, and now we are on our way. There's our resort, the Westin, and one of the other catamarans out here. I'm not sure which one. There's the rest of the TCL group.
Alright, we're sailing. Let's do this.
One of the crewmen is going to give us some instructions, so we know that we're going to be safe.
We are inspecting and approved by the coast guard for 49 people that.
Not sure how well you see it on camera, but we do have a rainbow off our back side, off our stern. We found the bar and drinks.
Drinks.
Mai Tais, the middle is water, and on the right, it's our Teralani sunset.
I got a Mai Tai, we can split.
Yeah.
Thank you. You got a sunset?
Yeah.
You got a sunset, and I got a Mai Tai. Got a pretty strong looking rainbow off of the mountains. That's awesome. It's amazing how bright that rainbow is.
It is very bright.
Yeah.
Beautiful over the mountains.
And they're very strong. So it's like a strong rain, strong sun. I don't know what it is, but that is beautiful up there. It's beautiful down here too. Look at that view. My jokes never get old.
No, they never get old.
They just mature with age. We saw that one a little bit ago, but it's more powerful now. The farther we get from it, just looks stronger, I should say. So this is Maui. It's a beautiful view. All these islands are just amazing, aren't they, honey?
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
We need to come here more often.
Yes, dear. That's where our resort is. So we're going along the coast. I switched to a long lens. The captain said that he sees whales straight ahead. I think we're over by Lahaina. The captain slowed down so that hopefully that we can spot them.
You're like, oh crap, move.
Do you see it, Bill?
There that is.
Yeah.
There it was.
You see it? Dead center of the screen.
It's pretty close.
Yeah, so you can't get within 100 yards. Yeah, there it is.
There's a tail. Kind of lost track of it because it went underwater. There it is. No, there's two of them. There's two of them.
Angie, you saw him, right? There, you see him? Reach and play. Come on, reach for it.
Oh my gosh, of course.
Just breathe out of his blowhole. And they're just kind of hanging out at the surface. Apparently there's 2 pods, so 3 or 4 whales. One's kind of off to the left, the other one's kind of off to the right in my shot. Oh, did you see the blowhole come out of that one on the right? Seems like we're gonna try to get closer.
It's good for your calves.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Just splash its tail. There we go.
That's a manatee. That's not a manatee. Oh, he said, I don't, whatever's out there.
I don't think it's a real use.
See its side flipper?
Oh yeah, manta rays. Manta rays, those are cool.
That's when you said that was.
Oh, I'm not.
Oh, that's too bad.
I've been on the boat with me.
It was waving. Whales are moving farther down the coastline, so we're going to kind of follow them. There we go. Oh, not sure how that showed up on camera. Kind of easy to lose them because we're pretty much on the horizon. Just have to wait for something to kind of stick up out of the water that's higher than a wave. Oh, there we go. Just had a blowhole.
There's a whale.
Oh, yep, right there.
There it is. There's the tail. Oh, there's the tail. Oh, amazing. Oh, wonderful animals. They're mammals. They breathe air like us. Live birth.
Right, yeah, that's hard.
And there's the back sticking up again.
You're doing the whale watching, right, Bill, tomorrow?
Yeah.
We're gonna get a breach. I just know it. I know this guy's.
Oh, look at you go. Wow. Got some cheese.
Wow, I wish I had a friend like that.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, tail. Come on, tail. No, tail.
No for tail. Heads or tails? We want to see either.
Yeah.
It's like I'm watching sports.
The valleys look awesome. Looks like there might be some rain going on up there. These are Northern Pacific humpback whales. They come down here this time of year to mate and have their babies in the warmer water so that they can feed them and make sure that they get a good start on life. Oh, you could hear the blowhole. They just had a... There. Oh. right ahead of us.
What kind of a predator would go after an 80,000-pound animal?
Humans.
Orca, yes. So they're also called
Oh.
whales.
Oh.
Whales actually comes from a mistranslation.
Oh, a little splash there with the back tail. Did you see that? That was awesome. There's the other one. Our guide is giving us information about the humpback whales. North Atlantic humpback whales. Between us moving and them moving, it's easy to lose track. Oh, right there in front of us. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho. Going along parallel with us. Baby whale, do 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 do. Baby whale, do 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 do. Baby whale.
Ooh, that was cool.
Haha. Oh, oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There's two of them. See both of them in the same spot. Kind of making a big loop, and now we're kind of going back toward where our resort is. I'm a little late to the party because I was so busy whale watching, but they do have some appetizer type things. They give us meatballs before. There's some skewers with tomatoes, and they got chips with salsa. They got some cheese and veggie tray, and some crackers, and I think some sort of dips. Hey, it's the other TCL crew. They're coming up along our side.
Yeah, right there's Doug. There's Doug. Hey, Doug. Oh,
Take a picture. Are you taking pictures?
oh, yeah, TC.
Here's Cody. Cody with the win.
Yeah, bartender Cody with our drinks.
Thank you, Cody.
Thank you.
Oh, you're gonna take that? Okay.
Cody, is that
Thank
yours?
you.
Do you want to share with me? I don't have to go get my own.
Oh.
God, did you see that whale right in front of you? It's like right there.
Yeah, there it is. Oh,
Oh
wow.
my God.
There's two of them.
Oh, they're right there too. That's why he turned around. That's why he turned around.
There's three of them. There's three of them.
That's why he turned around.
Yeah. Quite often there's the mom, the baby, and a nurse.
Okay. Nursemaid.
Yeah. So there's no male. The male normally like breeds and splits. We're just waiting to see if those whales come up. They're pretty close to us a second ago. They're kind of between us and that other catamaran. There it is. Just sitting there on the top of the water.
Yes, you got it. I'm trying to figure out who.
Oh ho ho ho. Like it's just sitting there. Little bit of a fin, dorsal fin. Staying still, unlike the other waves. Oh, off to the right was a. There's another one right off to the right. Just.
Will you hold this for
There we go.
my hammer? Hold for 2 seconds. I can hold it.
Hello.
Did you hear him? Hello.
So we're trying to
How long you
decide.
gonna be out there?
Oh yeah, he's a multitasker. Yeah, he's got. Well, we're trying to decide.
Now, there's two of them right there. One just kind of surfaced a little bit, and the other one is still sitting there.
That's all. It's boiled down to those. Well, not boiled. You've done this now. Well, you just did this road right before. They didn't done that. We haven't done that.
Yep, see, there's two of them.
We have to lean back. Like Sunday to Friday. Saturday to Thursday. Fine. So I get some conch.
We're pulling back into our resort, or the beach near our resort, coming to the end of our excursion, and I'm going to turn this way and you can see the sunset over the island off in the distance out to the west, and that other catamaran there is part of the other TCL group. Oh, check out the sunset. Just about to breach below the line there of the island across from us.
So guys, we are a bar, so no alcohol can come off the boat. And remember, no shoes when you're crossing that sand, okay? Gavin and I will be down there to help you guys. So just keep an ear out and try to keep the ladder full, and we'll get you guys off as dry as possible.
All right, going full speed. We're going to try to make landfall here onto the beach. Try to get up as high as we can.
Come on, just hammer that throttle. We're going into the beach, man.
Hold on to something when we hit that beach. It'll jolt forward a little bit.
Alrighty. Sounds like fun.
Spread your feet.
Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna hit sand in a second. Trying to get it up as close as we can so that the ladder will touch sand and we can all get off, no problemo. Did I really say problemo? They're along the ladder, and oh, here we go. Woohoo! Made landfall. Something that's nice is they have these cubbies for us to put our shoes. Was that drinking or was that the waves?
A little bit of both.
A little bit of both.
A little bit of both.
All right, we're making our way off of the boat. You can see people making their way onto land. This could be really fun, really bad. All right, here we go. Gonna step down. Cody, lead the way. Show us how it's done. You gotta tell us whether to stay or go. Sure. All right, now.
Yep, step out.
Thank you. You too, thanks much. And we're off. That was fun. That was a great time. How was that? How was that, guys?
It was fun.
Yeah.
So fun. The rainbow over the mountains overlooking Lahaina, gorgeous, stunning. You saw both ends of a rainbow. When do you ever see that? Like in Minnesota? Ever. What else did we see? Whales. Oh my gosh, all the whales.
Whales.
We saw whales' tails, we saw whale spouts, we saw all the whales. Incredible, beautiful. And the sunset, simply stunning.
Yes.
And drinks!
And drinks!
Oh.
And drinks!
We got a drink.
How can we forget the booze?
And I got yelled at because I don't drink fast enough.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah.
Too frickin' slow. I said frickin', is that okay?
Yeah. And just got off of our sunset sail. What did you think, hon?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. We saw so many whales,
Yeah.
beautiful rainbows, and we got some drinks.
Yeah. Drinks
Yeah.
were included on our excursion, so that helps with the entertainment.
I'm feeling happy now.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Very happy.
Please do us a favor and subscribe. About 90% of our viewers are not subscribers. Help the channel grow. Also help us reach our goal of 2024 of 2,000 subscribers. But will we do this again?
No, never. Yes, of course we
Yeah,
do
that
it
was
again. This is
fantastic.
amazing.
Yeah, we had a great time. But we want to thank Carousel Travel and Twin Cities Live, Tropical Hawaiian Vacation. We had an awesome time. But please do us a favor and subscribe. My name is Bill.
My name is Carrie.
You've been watching KB Treks. Do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.
Welcome.
That's so cool.